Hey guys, welcome back to Till Vacuum Do Us Part. Today I'm filming a clean with me, but this is going to be a little bit deeper clean than you've seen me do lately. My kitchen needed a good wipe down and I went ahead and started with my white cabinets. I know they don't look dirty from this angle or from the filming, but I promise you they have fingerprints. It's white. It's gonna get dirty. And I am using my ETH cloth, and I'll have my link down below, so click on that and that will take you straight to their website. So if you just want to buy a few, if you want to test it out, if you want to buy a whole package, the mop, whatever, go check out that down in my description box. And I'll also have my coupon code listed down below there. They extended it for 1 more month, so this is definitely the time to buy if you guys are interested in checking those out. Now that I've wiped down all the top cabinets, I'm going to go ahead and work down on the lower ones. And you'll see me just work my way around the kitchen. They get so dirty. You can see me scrubbing right where that little lip is like where spills or dust holds or whatever, gunk, food. And so you'll see me scrub really hard on those areas.
In this dream of your own desire, there is someone calling your name. Love is forever. Love is forever.
Now I'm going to go ahead and rinse the rag out, and these rags are made to clean and sanitize with just water, so I'm going to wet it, kind of wring it out, fold it up, and then I'm going to start working on my backsplash. My backsplash doesn't get very dirty, and I'm kind of surprised. In our last house we didn't have a backsplash, and we just had like tan paint, and it always seemed to get dirty. So I don't know what it is about here, but it doesn't, but I like to just give it a good wipe down occasionally, and like my windowsill, so that's what I'm going to work on right now.
And when you wake up, you know what you need to do. Just close your eyes. Someone's been waiting for you.
When I'm doing a deeper clean, I do like to actually move the items off my countertop so that I can really clean it and not miss a spot. So you'll see me as I kind of work my way around in my kitchen, I'm just putting it all onto my island. So I went through the other rag into my laundry room, and now I'm grabbing a new one and rinsing it out. And for my countertops, I love this Method Daily Granite, and I don't need it because the rag does clean my countertop, but I love it for the smell. I think it smells so good. So you'll see me throughout kind of use products that way. I do like to wet the rag still though. You can use the rag dry, and I've never had an issue doing it that way, but I feel like my countertop has some type of a sticky film on it, and when I wet the cloth down I don't, so that's how I've been using it.
Build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead. Let the shadows leave my head. When the world is on your shoulders.
Now I'm pulling out the Method Heavy Duty Degreaser, and I love to use this for like my stove, even inside my microwave, and I also use it in my sink when I deep clean my sink. I feel like it works really well, so I sprayed that and let it sit for a second. And then I'm grabbing a rag and wetting it, and this is my e-cloth for the stove, and if you can see it has different colors, and that's because there's different textures in it. And there's a rougher one that is made to like help get up the harder like baked on stuff onto your stove top, but it will not scratch. So there are some really cool e-cloths. A lot of them I mix and match, but there's a few that have those scrubbers built in that I save for the particular piece. And then I'm grabbing my Method, once again just for smell, and I'm going to wipe the top off. I really like using the Method Granite countertop cleaner on my stainless. I feel like it polishes it really well, and once again I'm just using like a damp e-cloth to wipe it on and just to clean it off.
I could stay awake till the night is through, with you by my side, with you by my side. Though we've only
Now, if your stainless steel like refrigerator is super dirty, you can grab the e-cloth for stainless steel, and once again it has those built-in scrubbers that won't scratch. And so I'm going to show you here how I do that. I wet it, and then you can just kind of wipe it down like so. And then I'm going to go do my refrigerator real fast and wipe it down, make sure there's no food or anything on it.
we're there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me?
And then I'm going to come back in with like the blue window polishing cloth to come in and dry it down, and it just removes any streaks that were there. And now I'm going to clean my dishwasher the exact same way.
Is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. Do it on repeat.
Now that my kitchen's had a full wipe down, I'm going to take a damp e-cloth and start wiping down all my decor, and then slowly putting it back where it belongs. E-cloth also does come with a dry duster rag that you can use, and I feel like it does work really well, but in the kitchen I like to use a damp one just to clean anything off that's gotten stuck to it.
When the lights are out and you stumble in the dark, you kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember,
I've been getting a ton of questions about my white trays, and that's like my soap dish, and then the ones that my white canisters are sitting on, and then there's also another size. It came as a 3-tiered serving tray, and I have that in my Amazon store, and the link will be in my description box. And then real fast, this is a brand new candle I just bought from Ross, and I wanted to share it with you guys. It says Love Never Fails, and it smells amazing. It's not strong, but it's a clean scent, and it was only $7.99. And it wasn't like some big, bold, bright color. I love having no color, especially in my kitchen. So when I found the jar that was so pretty, and I love the smell, and it was only $7.99, I just felt like it was a win-win, and I wanted to share it with you guys. Now I'm going to clean off my island just like I do my countertops.
oh, and just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. Don't forget.
Now I'm going to head into my little dining nook. I don't think it's technically like a separate room, so I just call it my nook. And I'm going to pull all the chairs out. I like to give this rug a good vacuum at least once a week, if not more often. It just depends on how much we've been sitting here eating. So I'm going to clear off the table, and I'm using the Dollar Tree like Indust Pledged cleaner to wipe off my table.
Just call me, baby. Swear that I'll be there. I'll just call me, baby. I'll be there. I'll be there. Call me, baby. Swear that I'll be there. And so remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember.
Now I'm going to use the same rag and the same Dollar Tree Pledge cleaner just to wipe down these shutters. They really don't hold a lot of dust, but I still like to do it on occasion just to make sure they stay clean. And then I'm going to head over and do the same thing to like my farmhouse wood sign. I just like to dust these areas really well because nobody wants dust in the area that they're like eating in. Now I'm going to vacuum my dining room rug really well with my Dyson Animal I think it's like a V6 cordless, and I love this vacuum. I always get questions, is it worth the money? I feel like it is. I don't even have a broom inside my house now because it works so well on like rugs, carpets, and most importantly, my hardwood floors. So if you guys are curious about that, once again, it's in my Amazon store, so click on the link below. And once I'm finished vacuuming, I'm just going to put the chairs back where they belong.
We have fun, but our trails will never run forever. Yeah. Something else is on your mind, like everything.
This is the wood polish cleaner I've been using, and now I'm taking it into the living room with me, and I've just been spraying it on the rag, and now I'm going to wipe down my fireplace because it is something that holds a lot of dust for some reason, so I'm going to give it a good wipe down.
On your face, it's so hard to explain, but the worst is the pain.
I'm also going to use it on my door. I like to polish this a lot just because I never want that wood to dry out, and I just feel like it keeps it conditioned.
Oh, Gloria, please, don't cry for me. Yeah.
Now I'm grabbing my window cleaner, which is also from the Dollar Tree, and then my window e-cloth rag, and it's the same one that I used on my refrigerator earlier just to wipe down my glass pieces.
Breaking up and then get back together. Oh, you're the trigger to my gun. But like everything that's bad in life is.
Now I'm headed into my living room, and I'm going to give my sectional just a good fluff and chop the pillows. You guys asked me about my sofa a lot too. It's from Ashley Furniture, and we have loved having it.
On your face, it's so hard to explain, but the worst is
I do like to vacuum our sofa, not because hair or anything, Tiger doesn't shed, but we do eat in here and have snacks, so I like to vacuum up crumbs. And let's be real, I just love the vacuum lines.
Gloria, please. Oh, Gloria, please. Don't cry for me. Why do everything that's good in life always come to an end? We letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got a look on your face. But the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name. And you say, Gloria, please, don't cry.
Now I'm going to work on getting all my wood floors vacuumed throughout my house.
Don't cry for me. Oh, yeah. I would try not, yeah, to cry. Gloria, Gloria, please, when you pronounce my name. Oh, Gloria, please.
I do get a lot of questions about the vacuum staying charged, and I will say I can vacuum my entire house, like wood floors, carpets, rugs, you name it, all on one charge, and I have it set on max, which means it has a shorter life, and I think that's like 20 minutes max. But that has never been an issue for me. When I'm done using it, I just hang it back up, and that's actually its charger. But I do vacuum typically from start to finish without hanging it up to charge, and I can vacuum my entire house.
Just against our fresh like a morning. What's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of town. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, and so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D.
now I'm headed in with my e-cloth mop, and I'm gonna wet the mop head and then rinse it out, and this just makes it so that it's safe with the wood floor, so it's not just drenching the wood floor. That's why I'm wringing it out right there. And I love this mop. I get tons of questions. I've sold a ton of these on the site and everybody loves them. It cleans up dirt, it cleans up footprints, it has never streaked ever, and my floors look gorgeous when I'm done mopping every time, and they are never ever sticky once I'm done cleaning them this way.
So you faded out while I watched it, damn obsessed with myself. Wanna hit the reverse on what's broken. Can we be strangers again? Start fresh like a morning. But what's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print.
Okay guys, and this is how it turned out. It looks and feels amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button down below so I know to make more. And if you haven't subscribed, I would love to have you, so please hit that red button. You guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I shoot in the dark, so I miss my target. It's a time to move on, but I cannot.